Okay guys, so another area that we're going to cover with Raptor is going to be that front bumper. So we're going to go ahead and let Cafu take over.
This bumper's pretty dried up, and we're going to put some adhesive promoter and scuff it all the way. This one too at the bottom. We're going to put some tape right here. The grill doesn't really matter because we're going to get new ones. And that's pretty much it. Just like scuffing it.
Okay guys, now while we do that, Rolly's going to take us here. He's going to start taping the side of the truck already. The windows, plastic covering, the side steps, everything. And he's going to go ahead and start explaining to us how he does that.
So we're going to cover all the windows, every little thing that we need, so the Raptor won't get all over and it won't look that bad. So we're going to start out taping all this. Gotta get it in there.
So pretty much you go right to the edge.
Yeah. Sometimes you don't want to go all the way to the edge because you don't want the Raptor to peel off when you're taking off the tape. So sometimes I just leave a little opening just in case if the Raptor does come off.
Okay guys, so we're gonna go and let them work and we'll come back when they're done. Okay guys, so right here they're already pretty much done with the taping process. They pretty much just need that molding down there, about right there. But the rest of the truck is already ready for the cleaning, final cleaning with paint thinner, and then we're gonna start to spray the Raptor on. So right here they're about done. They've already taped up the entire vehicle. Pretty much we're ready. And then we have Cafu over here. What's up? What you doing?
I'm taking off the running boards because it's much easier to take them off than to tape them. It's just wasting more time. And it's pretty much easy. Just take off the screws at the bottom and just take it off like this.
That's it?
That's it.
Alright, so we're gonna put some paint thinner on it to take off, because the first coat we just use it to knock off any excess dirt and whatnot that is still on there, and then the second one is when we're really trying to clean it real deep in there. So let's get it started.
Alright guys, so let's go ahead and let them do the first pass, and then we'll get back when they have the first pass done and start on the second one.
Alright guys, so we're done with the first pass, taking off the dirt. We're gonna go back and take off, just to make sure it's really clean in there. So let's clean.
Alright guys, so pretty much they're done with basically that's it. I think you guys are done. The process is pretty much complete up to now. The next video that we're gonna do is finally the one that everybody waits for. It's spraying on the Raptor. So make sure that you watch the next video. Thanks, guys.